Hey guys, this is Mahesh the freelancer. So in this video, I'll try to qualify for the HITAP QC result quality. So let's begin. Oh, looks like internet connection is slow. Come on. Yeah, it was there. What happened? Yeah, we got it. Finally. So in this HITAP, we need to judge this web page or URL. Uh, we just need to judge the content like readability of the website and also the authority of the website. So let's open it in a new tab. Yeah, so it was the maps website, but it's not like Google Maps. It's not a big company website, but no, it's just a maps website of a normal company. So we should judge the readability of this web page. So I think I can see the ads here, and I could see there are 3 ads, but yeah, but it's not readable. I'll go with no. How authoritative? I'll definitely say it's not the best source. But is it a popular website, MapQuest? I don't know. I'll go with unknown authority because is it if it is popular website, I can mark it as high authority. But I haven't heard this MapQuest website, so I'll go with unknown. Let's before that, let's see MapQuest website in MapQuest URL. Might be it is famous or official MapQuest directions like the multiple portals. So I will go with high authority. Let's see. Yeah, authority was correct, but content quality. MapQuest is famous. Oh, I think MapQuest is a popular website, but due to this ads, I have mentioned it is not readable, but it's a popular website, so I should mark it as yes. No problem. We'll move on. It was YouTube, so it was a very popular website. So the readability is yes, and here the depopulation agenda, Bill Gates planned to kill you. So it was negative news. I would say this is some kind of the authenticity or the authority is questionable here. So I would say it is harmful content. Let's see. Yeah, it was correct because this the depopulation agenda plan, Bill Gates plan to kill you. You know, it's not fact. So let's move on. Uh, we'll open it in a new tab. Oh, looks like the page is not readable at all. So I'll say no here. And Obama is a gay. So here the integrity is questionable. And also, who is the author of this page? There is no author of this page. And the integrity, I mean, the statement here is highly questionable. So I'll go with poor content, poor authority. Let's see. It was correct. It has integrity problems. Let's move on. Crunchbase is a popular website. So I would say the readability is yes. So Crunchbase seems like an official website. Let's see. Cellpoint mortgage servicing. So it mentioned about the other company details. So it's a web page of this particular Shellpoint mortgage servicing in Crunchbase. So I will go with high authority, not the best source. Let's see, because it was a popular website. Yeah, it was correct. Crunchbase is a well-known startup company information database. Yeah, that was correct. 123 movies seems like a pirated website of the movies. So I'll click here for all movies and series. Let's see. Yeah, the page is clumsy, so I'll go with the readability is not good, and also the authority of the web page, because it was a pirated website, I'll go with poor source or poor authority, because all the pirated websites come under poor authority. Let's see. It was correct. NBC News looks like a popular news website. Scroll down. Yes, it is a popular news website. Let's see it in Microsoft Edge. Yeah, looks like it have a live streaming as well. So looks like a popular website. So I'll go with readability is yes, because the content looks clean and we can read this page very clearly. And about the news, Vatican official apologizes for taking down. Okay. Okay. As it is a popular website, I will go with high authority, because all the news portals or news websites come under high authority. Of course, the popular ones. Let's see. It was correct. NBC News is famous in news area. Let's move on. This not that. Looks like it was a reviewing site. Okay. The readability is okay, so I'll go with yes, because the content is pretty clear. We have to check the authority of this website. So let's check who is the author. This is the author by Cheney Buckingham. So let's click on this. Let's see. Cheney is the news editor of it. Okay, looks like there is a decent information about the author of this page. So it's not official website, so it's not the best source. So I'll go with high authority. Let's see, because if the author is provided, if the author is mentioned in any web page, we should check the authenticity of the author. So as the information of the author is there, and as it is a pretty decent information, I'll go with high authority. Let's see. It was correct. Michigan.gov looks like it was a government portal. So for government, we can directly mark it as best source, I would say. Let's see. Yeah, it was a government portal. For government portal, it was an official website, so I'll go with best source. Let's see. It was correct as well. You have passed the qualification test. Yeah. So with this QC result quality hit app, I almost earn $10 to $15 per day through this hit app alone. So I wish you see this hit app and qualify for this hit app. So if you find this video useful, please subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.